Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Mathilda. Well, today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to apply your lashes. I receive a lot of requests on my Instagram. If you're not following me on my Instagram, what are you waiting for? It is Mathilda__beauty 3 underscores. So I receive a lot of requests on how to apply false lashes. I know I don't always show it on camera because of time. I don't want the video to be too long, so I always skip it. So today is going to be an in-depth tutorial on how to apply your false lashes, so it's going to be unclockable, you know. See that girl? So guys, if you guys want to know how to apply lashes, then what are you waiting for? Keep on watching. If at the end you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel so see more of me. So let's get into this video. Alright guys, I know this is a lash tutorial, but I'm going to be doing this eye on camera for anyone that is interested in knowing how I achieve this look, because I noticed that if I don't put my eyeshadow application in the video, I always get requests to know how to do the eyeshadow. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to create this eyeshadow on this eye. But if you guys are not interested in knowing how to create this look, I'm going to put a timestamp here so you can fast forward the video to where the eyelash tutorial starts. I just primed the eye with my Lagirl Pro concealer as usual. I'm going to be using the shade Cloudy, this dark blue shade from my Yummy Cosmetics palette, and I'm going to be applying that with a small brush and pressing it into my crease. The blue from this palette is very pigmented, so if you are going to be using this palette, you have to be really careful so you don't overblend. Just keep the eyeshadow in the crease. Just look at how pigmented it is, like it's so good. Moving on, I'm going to go into the shade Blue Raspberry from the same palette, this shade right here. I'm going to use that to blend out the edges of the blue I applied. I'm using a fluffy brush to mesh the two colors together. I'm going to go cut my crease. I have a detailed video on how to cut your crease. I'm going to leave the card up here, so if you guys want to know how to cut your crease, you can cut it. I'm going to go into this shade from my Jaclyn Hill x Morphe palette, and I'm going to be applying that on my lid. Now let's move on to the eyelash application, the reason why you are probably here. So the first thing to note about eyelash application, if you're just beginning, I'm going to recommend that you line your eyes with either eyeliner or gel liner or even a black eyeshadow. It must not be a wing, but line it so that if you don't apply your lashes well, it's going to still look okay and not too visible. The band is not going to look too visible, and if you make any mistake, who's gonna know? Who's gonna check you, you know? So another thing I'm going to say about lashes is that it comes in different styles. You have to know the style that you're going to be fixing, because sometimes the lashes can look wonky if you don't fix it the right way. So you see these lashes that I'm going to be fixing for you guys today, this side is shorter than this side. So because this side is shorter than this side, I'm going to be applying it on this eye, because the shorter side always comes at the front, then the longer side comes at the edge. So it's going to be like this, hypothetically. I don't know how to apply it. I don't know how to explain it. So I just note the shorter side of the lashes should be at this side, the longer side at this side. But there are some lashes that actually have equal sizes, like this one right here. This lash, this side and this side is equal, so you can either fix it here or here. So today I'm going to be using the first lashes. So let's roll the drums and do this. I'm going to be putting the glue on my hands, a little bit of glue on my hands. As the glue is on my brush right here, I'm using a very tiny brush to fit the band. Now I'm going to go into this lashes right here, and I'm going to be applying it on the line of the lashes. I'm not going to go below it. I'm just going to go on the line of the lashes. This glue I'm using actually dries really quickly, so I'm going to be applying that on my eyes, starting at the middle, placing it at the middle like this, then the edge, okay, then the front. Now I'm just going to reposition it to fit my eyes. The lashes are on. I'm going to go into my mascara and join my false lashes and my real lashes together so it will be unclockable. You see? Really easy. Another thing to note about fixing your lashes is that all lashes are not going to fit your eyes, so you need to cut that lash to fit your eyes. If it is longer than your eyes, cut it at the edge to fit your eyes, because you don't want it to be too long, except that is what you want. But always cut your lashes at the edges to fit your eyes. See guys, the lashes are done. I'm just going to do this one in fast forward, so the video is not going to be too long, but I hope you get the gist. If you have any questions, leave it down below and I'm going to answer every single question for you guys. I am back and this is the final look. I went ahead and did the rest of my face off camera and I am back right now. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned a thing or two. If you have any questions, leave it down below in the comment section, and also if you have any video requests, leave it down below. I'm going to answer every single one of your video requests. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to see more of me behind YouTube, you can always follow my Instagram, Mathilda_beauty3_. You can follow my Twitter, my Snapchat, Mathilda_duku. And guys, if you guys want to support me, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel down below. Click on the notification bell so that you wouldn't miss a single upload. So guys, thank you for watching. Ooh, that glow. Ooh, ooh. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video.